Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back, and I am so excited that you are back. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leaves me a comment. Thank you so much. Please continue to share these instructionals. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a further reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance with the music, I'll post it at the end. Let's dance together. So the name of this dance is called All Aboard. It is a four-wall dance and it moves counterclockwise. And let's go. Let me give you step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to start at this wall right here. Okay, so there is a turn back and making a full turn, and I'll show you a modification just in case you don't want to do it. Okay, so it starts with the weight on the left. So you come back on the right, almost like a good walk-up pony. Right, left, swirl, left, step, right, swirl, left, step. You do that twice. 5, 6, 7, right back. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So you're just doing a triple step on your left and you're swirling and step on the left. Triple step on the right. Right, swirl, left, step, right, swirl, left, step. And your weight is on your left. So you tick, step, tick on the right. Step, tick, left, right. Then your last step is on your right. Then you go move forward on your left. Left, right, tick. So you're going to do a step, tick on your left. But before you do that, you go left, right, step, tick on your left. Come down, and you have 3 steps to come back and make a full turn with your shoulder coming back, which is right, left, right. Right, left, right. Only 3 beats. Okay, so when you tick, your first beat is going to be when you come down on that right. Right, left, right. Only 3. If you don't want to turn around, come back. Right, left, tap right. Okay, one or the other. All right, so let's put it together. So we do the pony or hood walk, which is swirl. We do that twice. We tick on the right, step, tick on the right, come back, then go up left. Left, right, step, tick, and turn right, left, right. Full turn. Or step back, right, left, tap right. But it's 3. Right, left, right. Okay, 5, 6, 7, pony. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, step, tick, left up, left, right, and tick, right, left, right. So let's do it. I'm going to do it the other way. 5, 6, 7, pony, right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, tick. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, tap 8. We're going to tap out, double right, double left. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Just kicking forward, moving up. Double on the right, 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I want you to shuffle forward, half turn to your right. Right, step, pivot, half step left, left, step, pivot, half. Coming back to this wall. Right, step, left, pivot, half, shuffle, left, step, right, pivot, half. Okay, so let's put that together. Hood walk up pony. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, tick. 1 and 2, left, 3, and 4, tick. 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Double 1 and 2, 3, and 4, forward 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, 7, 8. I want you to do a jazz square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do another one. Do a quarter turn to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just did 2 jazz squares. So when you came off of that turn, stay here and do a jazz square. Right, left, quarter turn, cross and turn. Right, left. The end of part 1, do right heel, left heel, step right, left, slide right, left. Again, so that's a diagonal. Step right, step left, right, left, step, slide. Right, left, right, left. Okay? From here, I just want you to watch me. I'm going to go into part 2. I'm going to roll my hip and do a quarter turn. Right, left, right, clap. So I do a hand gesture, and I clap on 4. 1, 2, 3, clap. Then I'm going to do on right, left, step, slide. That step again, that diagonal step again, I'm going to do that. So I ended part 1 with that right, left, cross, step, right, left. 1, 2, 3. Clap on 4. And do that heel again, that diagonal heel. And right, left, step, slide. Roll the hip again, and clap. Okay, so I roll the hip again. Right, left, right. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's in part 2. Okay, so what did I do? From here, part 1, I ended with the cross step. Step right, left, slide right, left. I roll my hips. Right, left, clap. So I clap on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I do that clap step again. Do that cross step again. Right, left, left. I'm going to roll my hip again, and with my right shoulder going forward, a quarter turn. So right here was just a quarter turn. And I'm going to do a quarter turn, rolling my hips forward. My right shoulder coming forward. Right, left, clap. You're going to clap on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you count. When you say 4, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You clap again. Then we go into part 2. All right, double tap to the front, to the back, front, back, out, together. Double, right. That's a double to the front and back. Double front, double back, and then single front and back. Then out together. When you come back together, you're going to fall back, doing a quarter turn to your left. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. If you didn't do it, see it, you're going to do it twice. So I'm going to do it from this point right here, this wall here. You do a double, single, out together, roll back. Right, tap, left, tap, right. That's the end of the dance. So remember, we started on this wall. The dance moves counterclockwise. So that's the first rotation. So I'm going to go over it again. And then I'm going to give you the second and the third rotation are the same. Okay? Just a little change up on that. So what did we do? We did the pony. 1 and 2, swirl 3, 4. 1 and 2, step tick. Go up on your left, right, tick. Left, right. Doing that full turn when your left shoulder come back. A double right, double left. Double, move up for 4. Right, left, right, left. Go straight into the shuffle, step pivot half, shuffle left, step pivot half, stay here, do a jazz square, cross over on the right, quarter turn to your left, jazz square. Here we go with the diagonal walk. And slide. And roll the hip. And clap. And that diagonal step again. On the right and the left, right, left, step, slide. Roll the hip. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and clap on 4. Then you wait, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double, double, single, single, out together, roll back with the right shoulder, quarter turn, and walk up on the left. Do that double again. Double, double, single, single, out together, roll back on the right leg, come back on the left. When you bring that right together and come back, you make it a quarter turn. Okay? Now this is your wall right here. The dance starts over. You're going to start again with your pony and your swirl. Your pony and your swirl. You take right, go up on your left, take left, and full turn if you want. Double right, double left, and you move it up. You shuffle, half turn, shuffle left, half turn, jazz square. Now do a quarter turn, jazz square. Do that footwork with the diagonal. Step right, left, slide. Now from here, start that pony again. Part 1 again. Pony, slide. Swirl. Take right, up on the left, double right, double left. Take it up for 4. Right, shuffle right, half turn, shuffle left, jazz square, quarter turn left, heel, 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 step, heel, and roll. 1, 2, 3. Clap. And 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double, 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 single, single. Out together. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7. Double, 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 single, single. Out together. Roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm looking at you. Remember I started here at this wall. The dance move counterclockwise. So the first rotation is this wall. The second rotation was this wall. The third rotation was this wall here. So I'm going to do the same thing I just taught you on the second rotation. Okay? And that's it. That's called all aboard. I had to look at this dance a couple of times because the first rotation is different from the second and the third rotation. The second and third rotation are the same. So look at the demo and put it together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.